Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to the online classes. I am Ms. Muskan Fatma from The Educators Pre-Society Campus Sharadpur. Hello dear students of grade 1. Today is your third lecture. The name of your book is Miracles of Science. Science ke Karishmat. As you know that number 1 is living and non-living things. Yesterday we have studied about living and non-living things. Today we will further discuss about non-living things. We have discussed that non-living things do not need air, water, sunlight, food, etc. and they do not grow and move by themselves. So now the thing is that what are non-living things made up of? Do you know that from which material non-living things are made up of? Non-living things are made up of different materials like paper, plastic, wood, metal, etc. Okay, so these materials can be divided into two categories, that are natural materials and man-made materials. Means non-living things are also of two types. First is natural materials and second is man-made materials. Okay, natural materials and man-made materials. Now what are natural materials? Materials which are not made by man. That means they are already existing in the nature, they are already present in the nature, are called natural materials like wood, water, cotton, leather, oil, etc. And some other examples are there, that like moon, like the earth, like the clouds, like the sun. All these are natural materials. Why? Because they are already existing in the nature. We haven't met the moon, we haven't met the sun, they are already present in the nature. So these materials are called natural materials, but they are non-living. They can't breathe, they can't grow, they do not need air, they do not need food, so they are non-living things, non-living materials. And now man-made materials. What are man-made materials? The materials which are made by man using natural materials are known as man-made materials. Now which are man-made materials? For example, paper, plastic, glass, these all are man-made materials. They are not present in the nature, but man have made them. Okay, and other examples of man-made materials are like the table, the fan, the house, car, bridge, pencil, pen, etc. These all are what? These all are man-made materials because they are not found in nature. Okay, they are man-made. Man have made them. Okay, so these are the examples of man-made materials and natural materials. Hope so that you have understood all that. Now we will go through the reading. Page number 5. Non-living things. Non-living things are made up of different materials such as paper, plastic, wood, metal, etc. These materials can be divided into natural and man-made materials. Non-living things, there are two categories, natural materials and man-made materials. Now we will discuss about natural materials. Materials which are not made by man and are found in nature are called natural materials. For example, wood, water, cotton, leather, oil, etc. बेटा मैन मेड जो नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स हैं वो दो ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड हो सकती हैं. वो भी डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट से बन के डिफरेंट मटेरियल से मिलकर बनती हैं, क्योंकि वो नेचुरल तो नहीं है, लिविंग तो नहीं है, नॉन लिविंग है. दो चीज़ों से बनकर बनती है. एक कैटेगरी है उसकी, वो है नेचुरल मटेरियल, और जो सेकंड कैटेगरी है वो है मैन मेड मटेरियल. अब नेचुरल मटेरियल क्या है? वो मटेरियल्स जो हम लोग नहीं बनाते हैं, जो नेचुरली नेचर में पाए जाते हैं, कुदरती होते हैं, जैसे कि ऑयल है, वाटर है, लेदर है, कॉटन है, वुड है, मून है, सन है, स्टार्स हैं, क्लाउड्स हैं. ये सब क्या है? नेचुरली हैं. किसी ने बनाया नहीं है ना मून, किसी ने अर्थ, किसी ने क्लाउड्स नहीं बनाए, किसी भी लिविंग थिंग ने, किसी भी जानदार ने नहीं बनाया. ये सब क्या है? नेचुरली हैं. तो ये सब नेचुरल मटेरियल्स हैं. नाउ कम ऑन पेज नंबर 6. Materials which are made by man using natural materials are known as man-made materials. For example, paper, plastic and glass are man-made materials. अब मैन मेड मटेरियल्स क्या होते हैं? वो मटेरियल्स जो इंसानों ने खुद से बनाए हैं नेचुरल मटेरियल्स को यूज़ करते हुए, जैसे कि पेपर है, प्लास्टिक है, ग्लास है, टेबल, फैन, हाउस, पेंसिल, ब्रिज, कार, ये सब क्या है? ये सब हम लोगों ने खुद बनाए। ये सब नेचर में नहीं थे, ठीक है? हमें किसी पहाड़ के नीचे से कार नहीं मिली, हमें घर कोई आसमान से उतर के नहीं मिला। ये सब कहाँ से आए? ये सब हमने खुद ने बनाए, मतलब मैन मेड, ठीक है? Okay, hope so that you have understood the lecture. Now your homework. Okay, so now your homework is to read the page number 5 and 6 very carefully. You have to read it very carefully with meaning, and also be careful about the pronunciation of the words. Okay, thank you so much.